Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I'm your host Tech Solutions and today I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube account for free in 2019 and earn money from it. So let's begin our journey with typing youtube.com in the Google search bar engine and you will see this page opening to you. You will need four valid things for making a YouTube account and earning from it, and those includes a valid phone number, a valid bank account, and a valid YouTube account for and a valid Gmail account for it to make you earn some money. And if you don't have a valid Gmail account or you don't have any Gmail account, you can watch my previous video in which I have taught you guys how to make a new Gmail account in 2019. And it's pretty simple. If you don't know, just go here, type gmail.com, and you can also click here create an account and you will have one in a moment. Okay guys, and then this is my new dummy account, techsolutions616 at gmail.com, and now I'm going to make a YouTube channel out of it. And let's begin. So now I have this button at the right top of the page which reads sign in. So I'm going to click it, sign in, and this is going to redirect me to a wait, let's do it again, sign in. So this has signed me in because my Gmail account is already open, and you can see this image T containing a T, which means Tech Solutions, and this is also the same. You can view it here, techsolutions616 at gmail.com. So now you have made a new account of YouTube, and now you are going to click this third button down here, YouTube Studio Beta. After clicking this, you will see a page which reads use YouTube as. Now this is I'm going to use it, want it to use at Tech Solution, so I will create channel. So this will create my channel as Tech Solution. Okay, so I have created my new channel of YouTube named Tech Solutions, and you can see here I have no subscribers right now because this is a fresh new YouTube channel, so I don't have a subscriber up till now. So now first of all you are going to click this two button. You have these two buttons over here which read customize channel and YouTube Studio Beta. So first of all click this customize channel button, and you will see this page where you can edit your page, you can add channel art, you can edit your file, you can edit your profile, you can add a new image to your YouTube channel, and the background image, what you call is a TP. And you see zero subscribers and uploads. You don't have any public recent uploads because this is a fresh channel, so we don't have any videos right now. So we'll click back because you can edit this later as well. We are just focusing on the topic of creating a channel and earning money out of it. Okay, so now just click on YouTube Studio Beta. Okay, and now this will open the channels dashboard. Okay, so this reads explore the new YouTube Studio. Got it. Okay, so this is upload a video. So first of all we aren't going to upload a video right now because first we have to see how the page will earn money, because once you upload a video you will start getting views and you will start getting subscribers, but you don't know about anything about money right now. So let's click this, the left hand side bottom, this reads Creator Studio Classic because this is the previous version of the YouTube Creator Studio, and the new one was YouTube Studio, which we are just right now exploring. So click on this Creator Studio Classic. So this says please tell us why still you need to go back to Creator Studio Classic. So just click other, submit. This will take a little bit time to load, so just click for this again. Now this will open by itself. Just wait for 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, so now we have come to the previous dashboard of our channel, and now this is a pretty easy to understand because everything is handy over here. And click over channel on the left, And now these are the features of your channel and the status of your channel that currently you are viewing. And now you can see that the copyright status is a smiling face. Community guideline status is also smiling face, because we haven't uploaded any content, so we don't have any issues up till now with the channel, or YouTube doesn't have any issues with us. As soon as we will start uploading videos, these can also turn into a crying face or a upset face, because if we like don't fulfill those copyright status, if we like steal a video from anyone else, so this will go to upset. Okay, so now you can see uploading is enabled and you can upload any video right now. And this monetization is also eligible, but it is not enabled right now. So because we have to become a partner through monetization by displaying ads on your video, so we have to enable this. But before that we have to verify our channel, because because before verifying we can't enable monetization policy. So let's click on verify. And now we have to select our country, Pakistan, or any country where you are residing. Okay, I have clicked Pakistan. How should we deliver the verification code to you? Text me the verification code and enter your. You'll see now we have received congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Okay, so we'll click continue. Now you'll see that our account is officially verified by YouTube. See, here we see verified tech solutions. And now the most awaited part of the video, that comes to monetization, which means money, how to earn money. So we will enable it. Click enable on monetization. And now we have, okay, so now we have these 4 terms over here, which we have to fulfill so that we can apply for monetization. And the first one is read and agree to the YouTube partner program terms. So start, we click start, and then we have to check box all the terms, because these terms must need to be accepted for us to for us to apply for monetization. So click I accept. Okay, so this will be turn into green, which means this step is complete. Let's wait for it a second. Okay, so the first step is complete. Now the second step, start. Now this reads sign up for AdSense. So if you don't know, if you are a beginner, or if you don't know about AdSense, I must tell you that AdSense is a Google verified program which allows you to earn money by publishing ads on your page. So this is simple. The word itself means AdSense. It's basically you publish ad, and you in return you gain money out of publishing ads, because when you publish ads on your YouTube channel, so whoever clicks on it, you earn money out of it. Okay, so this is pretty simple. You know, it's business. Okay, so now you'll click sign up for AdSense, and you must have an account on AdSense for you to publish ads and earn money. If you don't have an AdSense account, you cannot earn money by publishing ads. So now we will click start, but before clicking start I must tell you, if you have an AdSense account already, you can just link it to this link it here, because you cannot have more than one AdSense account. You cannot have more than one AdSense account per person. Okay, so we click start. Okay, so this is a very like sensitive one, so please don't make a mistake here and follow this video step by step. Okay, we click next. You will be redirected to AdSense. Okay, so we already have this account, Tech Solution. We will click it, and now you'll be redirected to the Google AdSense. Okay, so now this is, now here you can use a different account if you already have one with AdSense, so you will be linked here. So now this is Tech Solutions, your website. We currently don't have a website, so we won't link it. Get more out of AdSense, yes, because we are beginners, we are freshers, so they will just send us notifications and suggestions and performance suggestions, so that we can improve ourselves. And then you have select your country or territory, so we'll click P for Pakistan. Okay, and then it says please review and accept our terms and conditions, so you have to read all the terms if you want to, but there's nothing that you can't accept for. So I yes, I have read and accept the agreement. I have read these terms couple of times, so I won't read this. If you want, you can read this. So now we will create account. So here guys, we have created our new Google AdSense account, and now see, this is as made easy and get started. Okay, so now we are redirected to another page which requires payment address details. Obviously, when payments are concerned, you need account, and then you will need an address, because this is a very, I told you that this is a very sensitive situation. So they will require your address, where they will send you a pin. YouTube will send you a pin which you will enter in the AdSense, and then your AdSense account will be verified, because they can't let you just go on doing anything. So this is, I told you, this is a sensitive thing. So account type, just don't do anything here. Just don't do anything here. Name and address. Name is Tech Solutions, already entered. Address, I will enter it. Now make sure that you enter the address correctly, because the pin will be sent to the that address, and if you don't receive those, that you can't confirm your account. Okay, so AdSense requested here. Set monetization preferences. Start. So it's asking which type of ads do you want. So normally we want every ad. Okay, so we will checkbox every single of these ads, and then you say yes, save. We have we have it's saying that get reviewed after reaching 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. So in 12 months we have to get 4,000 watch hours, and we have to get 1,000 subscribers, and that's all for you to start getting earning money. Once you complete 4,000 watch hours on your channel, and once you have 1,000 subscribers, you will start earning money. And as soon as you receive the pin, just enter it in the AdSense account. It will be activated, and as soon as this condition is fulfilled, this watch hour and subscriber condition is fulfilled, you will start earning money for every click that you get on your YouTube account. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll try to make more fun videos and more enjoyable videos for you guys, and where you can learn how to make new things. And thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe my channel. Please tell me in comments if I have any things to improve, and thank you very much. This is your host, Tech Solution.